My flight plans telling me that I have 2 weeks to leave her. She telling me 2 weeks she leaving me. It make her 2 weeks to speak to me. But she said fortnight, 14 days. She says to me, Jay, no write out lines. White out lines and just freestyle whatever on your mind at the time. So I'm asking her like, why you crying? I'm not lying. What I need to give, I'm flying back to where I live. And girl, I know to you it seem hard, but Uncle Sam want me out in country cause I don't possess no green card. No hurricane couldn't stop me. And apparently all the what's in the world must have shocked me. Cause I keep saying, no single and alone. And not even a finger when the home skin a tingle. When I ring you on the phone, you have to hand it to me. Read the future good, it mandatory. You understand the story is
my baby don't go. Please don't go. Oh no. My baby don't go. My baby don't go. Please don't go.
my flight plans telling me the obvious. Fresh up out a yard, right back to the metropolis. Happy dip on top of this, you understand. The countryman with contraband in Amsterdam. Damn, that's the plan. Right down to a T front. Smell if a key with a name she know what me. Me used to have her at me yard for repeat. Now she day abroad in my suite. You know see it, kiss my lips. No hello when we greet. Reach a level with devil couldn't heat and try ice gonna cool down. Dry cries when I fool round. In her eyes lot of truth now. So much fights have been true though. Till I sight when she moved through. No, it's right, need no proof, no. And so, not to mention what lay up in her brain. Hate to see you on a plane, but you gotta do your thing, maintain.